In this video, I want to share with you how to make free YouTube intro using Canva. Okay, so all you need to do is to start by coming to canva.com. Just put it canva.com and you can just navigate to this website. Once you're on the website, you can just come to videos. Okay, so you can come to video over here. Okay, so you're free to, this is a blank page. So this is a blank page. The sizing and everything is up to our YouTube sizing, so we can generate from an existing video. Let's say this one that is free. This is free and we can easily put it, or this one is also free. You can see the video. Or this one, this is also free. So it all boils down to you. Which one do you want to take? Let's try this one. Okay, you can see the preview. You can just click to see the preview and you can see. Okay, so all you need to do is to change this video. If you have an existing video that you want to put, you can always bring it in. And to upload a video or an image, all you need to do is to come to this upload over here and you can just click to upload or upload media. From here you just click to upload media and you navigate to whichever location that you have that particular media and you can upload it directly into your Canva account and you can easily drag and drop it. So let's say we try to find out something that we have. Let's check anything. Okay, so let's say we just go with something like this. Okay, so let's say we go with something like this video. We can click on this and just maybe delete it. And let's say we try to make it quite a bit bigger. We can play around with the position and maybe we can send it to bottom. Okay, so we can bring it up here and then we can play around with this. You can change this if you want. And you can see welcome, and you're free to extend it to increase the sizing. Okay, and you can select this and decrease accordingly. Right, and you can decrease the sizing also. Just double click to select and then we can say pick mentorship. You can select it and you can decrease the size also accordingly. Just make it a bit smaller. So if you want, you can ungroup it because right now it's grouped. You can ungroup, right click and say ungroup, and you can bring it, you can just separate them. You can make it centered, okay, just like this, and you can regroup if you want. Select this one, select the one, hold the control key and select both of them. Okay, select both of them, right click and say group again, or you do control G. Okay, so you can do the same for this one. You just right click, say ungroup, and you can click out and then back in and you can move and centralize it, and then you can select both of them. Okay, and say group again. All right, so let's try to have a preview of it. You see, I think kind of looks cool over here, and you can put more slides by clicking on add more. Okay, so you may have this or you may have another one. Maybe let's say we'll put something like this. We just drag and drop this to this and you can zoom out and then you can put in some text. Just click and you can just double click over here and say remember to subscribe. Select all and make it 70. All right, so you can see we can bring it over here. You can double click and change the coloration, maybe to something like black. I think it kind of looks cool, but you can do so much more. You can change the effects. You can make it none. You can make it shadow. depending on your choice. You can make it appear shaped, and you can make it curve. You can make it, you can play around with the fonts around. Okay, so once you're done, play around with this as well. Change the color maybe to white. I think white kind of looks cool. And once you're done, you can take a look. Remember to subscribe. Right, so let's try to put a simple music to this so that you can make it much more complete. So try to check. One of the musics I want here is, you can always try to test. You can see this epic, I like this one, so you just click to hear this preview. So this is the preview. So once you drag and drop it here, it automatically takes it on this, and then you can extend it to the second slide as well. So now the music has taken effect, so let's try to play to see a preview of it. You can see it very easily, and it kind of looks fantastic as well. So let's try to, once you're done with the editing and you confirm that you got it the way you want it, you can just always come to this download. Okay, you can click on the download over here, and you can see the suggested file type is MP4 video. You can just allow it as default, and you can specify the page, all pages, 2 pages. So you can just click on download, and it's going to download it in MP4 format. So we can try to play it to see, to have an idea of. Okay, so try to check and see the downloaded file over here. So we come to downloads, and we can see the video over here. Welcome. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so easily we can import this to our video timeline and then make it as a b-roll and something like that, as an intro or as an outro or something, depending on what you want. You can easily design on Canva. Okay, so just come to the website and try to check around from the videos. Just come to video and come to video over here and try to check around within the templates, or you can play around with your own templates if you have an existing ones. This is just a bit on how to make intros or outros using Canva for your videos that you create for YouTube or thereabout. Feel free to try it and experience it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.